A new push in Florida to make a medical procedure for pets illegal. Action News Jax told you in June when New York passed a law banning veterinarians from declawing cats. New at 5:30, Action News Jax Beth Rousseau breaks down the mixed reactions from local pet owners.
Lindsay Leyendecker works at the Jacksonville Humane Society, but long before she got the job, she adopted her cat Copper.
He was the best little kitty.
She tells me the one problem with Copper is he refused to use the litter box.
Because his previous owner had declawed him, using the litter box hurt.
A Florida senator is pushing to stop cat declawing altogether, making it illegal for veterinarians to perform the surgery. Just weeks ago, Action News Jax told you when New York passed a similar ban.
The Humane Society says when you get your cat declawed, you're not just removing the sharp nail, you're actually removing the entire toe to the first joint.
You're also removing their ability to defend themselves, their ability to relieve stress, their ability to do things that just come naturally to them.
Not everyone is on board with the ban. Action News Jax asked your opinion on our Facebook page. One viewer said, "So sad these laws are changing to control someone's life. I have 3 kitties that has never been outside, declawed and very happy." If passed, the bill would fine vets $1,000 for declawing cats when not medically necessary.
When someone does want to declaw their cat, we want to make sure that they know that you may be removing what you consider one bad behavior for another one.
Leyendecker says she experienced the bad behavior for herself, but she knows for the time being, the decision to declaw is up to a pet's owner. Reporting on the South Side, Beth Russo, CBS 47 Action News Jax.
All right, so we wanted to give you a better idea of the actual process involved in removing a cat's claws. This is a diagram from the Atlas of Feline Anatomy for veterinarians. You can see the sharp part of the claw area is more similar to a human's fingernails, but in order to remove it, the entire first digit of bone is cut off from within the paw. As Beth said, this issue is getting a lot of response from you on social media. Samantha says, "I think it is great. The process is horrible." Mark says, "Indoor cat, yes. Outdoor cat, no. Outdoor cat must be able to protect itself." And Patrick raises an interesting issue. Should be the same for cutting dogs' tails or ears, too. Action News Jax has been telling you for months there is a kitten crisis at local animal shelters. These are photos of some of the cats that need to be adopted or fostered right now at the Jacksonville Humane Society. To see more, we have a photo gallery at actionnewsjax.com and the Action News Jax app.